Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add money in Google Play Store. So as you can see, this is the AI generated answer. So how can you do it? So first of all, add a payment method like credit or debit card, or purchase Google Play gift cards and redeem them. So basically you have to buy gift cards and then scan the gift cards and you will be able to redeem your cash. And here is like another method of this is the official like Google Play help. And how can you add cash in your balance? So first of all, as you can see, buy Play credit with cash. Open your Google Play app. On the right corner, profile icon, payment and subscription, payment methods, add a payment method, and then buy Google Play credit and select an amount. Click on continue, select a store, and tap get payment code. So once you get payment code, you can redeem it, and after that, that is how easily you can do it. And here is like another thing: make an in-app purchases with cash. Find the in-app item you want to purchase with cash, start the purchase process, tap pay with, select a store, and after that tap get payment code. So basically you can directly buy anything from, like, if you have in-app purchases. And the second thing is you can like redeem your gift cards, and the third thing is like you can redeem your cash with this method as I described earlier. This is the method, so you can do it. And as you can see, this is the buy Play credit with cash. So these are the simple methods of how you can do it and how can you add money in your Google Play Store.